Have you ever struggled to understand if your Facebook ads are actually working? Today, I'll show you how to set up a custom reporting dashboard in Ads Manager so you can see your results clearly and make smarter decisions. First, log into your Facebook Ads Manager account from the main dashboard. Click on Columns at the top right of the table where your campaigns are listed, then select Customize Columns. This lets you choose exactly which metrics matter most to you, like cost per result, link clicks, purchase conversions, or return on ad spend. After selecting the metrics you care about, click Save as Preset at the bottom of the window. Give your new report a name you'll remember, like eCommerce Dashboard or Leads Campaign View. This way, you can quickly switch to this view anytime you log in without having to set it up all over again. That's it. With just a few clicks, you'll have a custom Facebook ads dashboard that helps you stay on top of your campaigns and make data driven decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick marketing guides, and comment below if you have any questions or need help setting up your reports. Thanks for watching.